Good morning, class 9. In the previous video, I had discussed about the chapter factorization. In the factorization, we had this chapter we have categorized in the 5 different types. In type 1, factorization by taking out some common factor. In type 2, you can see on the screen factorization by grouping. In type 3, factorization of trinomials, it means by splitting the middle term. Type 4, factorization based on difference of two squares. And type 5, factorization based on cubes, that means a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So type 3, type 4 and type 5 in the next videos I will discuss. Today I have to discuss the type 2. See, type 2, that means factorization by grouping. It means first we have to make the group of like terms and then we have to take out some common terms out, then we have to factorize it. Now see the problem. Factorize a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. So here 4 terms are here. So first we have to make the group of these two. It is the first group and it is the another group. In the first group, I think you can see a is the common term, and after taking a as a common, a square will be left, and after taking a common, 1 will be left. In this part, so first of all minus sign will be common and 3 is the common. So minus 3, after taking minus 3 common, a square plus 1. So see these two bracket, it should be same. Again we are taking this one as a common, a square plus 1, a will be left here and minus 3 will be left here. So these are the factors of this algebraic expression. Now see one more problem. Now see this problem and see this problem and compare this problem with the previous one. In this one no brackets are there, but in this problem bracket is also there. But see the term inside the bracket terms are not matching. So in this type of question, what we have to do first we have to open the bracket. So each term of bracket first multiplied by ab. You can see here ab into x square, and ab ones are ab, and x into a square x, and x into b square x. Now again we have to make the group, this term with this or this term with this. So first we have to make the group this term with this, abx square plus a square x and ab plus b square x. Now take out some common here. So I think ax is the common term here, ax is the common, bx will be left and a is the left here, and b is the common here. After taking b common, bx plus b taking common, a will be left. Now see the bracket term, bx plus a. These after taking the common, these two bracketed should be same. So bx plus a and bx plus a again common, and ax plus b. This is the answer. So little bit different from the first problem. Now see the next problem. It is different from the first and second problem. Now you can see the bracket terms are different and whole square are there. So in this type of question, first we have to expand it using the expansion. I think expansion you have already learned in the previous videos, in the previous chapter. So apply here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this term will be cancelled. You can see here like term in opposite sign. So a square x square, b square y square, b square x square, a square y square. Now again we have to make the group. I think we have to make the group this with this or this with this. I think we have made the group x square plus a square y square. First term and fourth term, and the second term and third term. Now see clearly, it is seen here, you can see here a square is the common, x square will be left and y square will be left. B square is the common, x square will be left and y square will be common. Again this is common, a square plus b square. This is the answer. Now see, again it is little bit different. Now see, this is the same. In this type of question, first we have to open the bracket, y into a minus ay minus plus minus y into b, by. So y is the common, y minus a, minus b is the common, y minus a, y minus a, y minus a again common, and y minus b. This is the answer. Now see this problem, little bit it is different. So in this question, 1 2 3 term, and 1 and 2, 3 plus 2 5 terms. In last two term we can see here 3 is the common term. So in last two term we are taking minus 3 as a common. If we are taking minus 3 as a common, a will be left, and if we are taking minus n as a common, 1 will be left, 1 by a. Now see, I think this expression you should know that in the expansion chapter. This is the whole square of a minus 1 by a whole square. Now see, actually it is a, it is the perfect square of a, and it is the perfect square of 1 by a. This minus sign, and according to formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, actually a is here a and b is here 1 by a, and if we'll cancel this a, 2 ones are 2, this will be left. It means in this part is hidden there, so try to understand this line. So it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, and which is the perfect square of a minus b whole square. A minus b, instead of b, 1 by a is here. It is b and it is b also. A minus b whole square, and this term is same. So in this part and in this part, again a minus 1 by a is the common, because it is whole square, it means it is 2 times. So one time we are taking as a common, so one time will be left, and this is we are taking as a common, minus 3 will be left. This is same and this is same. So these are the factors of this expression. So now you can see some more problems are there in your exercise based on factorization based on grouping. Now you can do the exercise. In first exercise based on type 1 and type 2, try to complete your first exercise, that is factorization by taking out some common factor, and factorization by grouping method. In next videos I will discuss about the factorization of trinomial. It means factorization by splitting the middle term. That is very important. We have to practice more and more problem based on that. That is important for next class also. So thank you very much for watching the video. All the best. We will see some more videos in the next day.